Yes.
Yes.
So to maintain all the religion things, such case,
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm not a baptized Sikh. Sir, I have not taken the Holy Amrit, so I don't follow all the 5 Ks.
5 Ks.
Yes.
What are the 5 Ks?
Sir, Kesh,
Kada,
Kanga,
Ganga,
Kashera.
Kashera means?
Kashera means the undergarment.
Acha.
Yes.
ठीक है. What is your qualification?
Sir, I'm a BCom graduate.
और एक चीज होता है कृपान.
Yes, Kripan.
That's the fifth one.
Yes.
खड़क नहीं है.
कृपान रखते हैं ना ये लोग.
फोटो साइज होता है.
Photo size है.
जरा बैप्टाइज करके की बोलते हैं.
Yes.
मैंने
No, so baptized actually means there is a Holy Amrit. If I have taken the Holy Amrit,
Yes.
then I will follow all the Ks and will follow all the. I also have to recite the prayers 5 times in a day.
At least one person from your family must have done it.
Sir, my father is a sir, but he's also not baptized, but he keeps the turban and.
What is the occupation of your parents?
So my father is a transport business of
Business.
bus.
Truck or bus?
It's a bus.
How many buses?
It's a 2 buses.
Local or?
It's a public bus. It's a local.
Local. ठीक है. What is your qualification?
It's a BCom graduate.
BCom graduate. Then auditing is there.
Yes, sir.
What is AS 15?
So AS 15.
Accounting standard 15.
So accounting standard 15. So I'm not able to recollect.
ठीक है, ठीक है.
कोई भी एक स्टैंडर्ड बोल दो.
So accounting standard 6 relates to depreciation.
What is working capital?
So working capital means the capital which is required for running the day-to-day business
How
activities.
it is calculated?
So it is calculated
Your
as
answer is practically
so current assets minus
not
current.
commercial, without any commercial law. What is the technical definition?
So the technical definition is that it is current assets minus current liabilities.
What is the ratio?
Ideal one.
Ideal one.
करंट रेशियो.
Current ratio.
So ideal current ratio is more than 1.
More than one. Definitely is more than one.
Yes, sir.
If it is much above one, much above.
So
What it indicates?
So it would indicate that my liquidity is great, that I am perfectly liquid. I have quite an amount of liquid assets, so that I can meet my short-term obligations
That's
easily.
definitely.
Yes, sir.
It is very, so slightly higher is first class, excellent. Say after 2:1, sorry.
Yes.
Say it is 8:1.
What does it indicate?
What does it indicate?
It indicates that I have a huge amount of surplus current assets lying with me.
Either inventory,
Yes.
or in bank, or in cash form.
You are bearing the expense for
Yes.
Yes, sir. Some expenses related to
Yes.
maintenance.
These are expensive, not
Yes.
for a
Yes,
free.
sir. So it is not
Not free.
yes, sir.
it should be
My capital is, that means my capital is blocked in the
yes.
current assets.
blocked.
Yes, sir.
it's not only trading. It's economic, it's also economical, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now tell what is marshalling of balance sheet.
So marshalling of balance sheet means arranging of assets and liabilities in a balance sheet. The order of arrangement of
Tell us the arrangements.
so arrangement as in
How it is arranged.
Balance sheet.
so arrangement
Asset side it is.
Asset side.
Asset side.
asset side. So first of all we write fixed assets. The assets, fixed assets, then we go down as in terms of liquidity.
First
The liquidity order.
Then
So in the liquidity order we'll go fixed assets, then we will have in fixed assets we have plant and machinery, land and building.
then coming on the fixed assets.
Yes, sir.
The next item.
The next item will have debtors, bills receivable.
But if you have got investments, where it will come?
So investments are also part of fixed. Sorry, sir. Investments will come, sir. Sorry.
Next.
Yes. So investments.
After investments.
Then there will be bills receivable,
Current assets.
current assets.
Current assets.
Then cash and cash equivalents at the end.
in a bank,
Yes, sir.
is there any change in the arrangement?
So in case of banks,
Say,
Okay, the bank.
according to liquidity, in commercial firm, fixed assets appears first and the cash appears
Last.
yes.
Whether this is in case of bank also?
So sorry, sir, I'm
No, I
not aware of this.
What is capital adequacy ratio?
So capital adequacy ratio means the availability of sufficient capital to meet the long-term obligations,
Long-term obligation or risk-weighted?
risk-weighted
Assets.
assets. Yes.
So why the two sides of balance sheet always tally?
So the two sides of balance sheet tally because of the double entry system of bookkeeping.
Balance sheet is statement of liabilities and assets, isn't it?
Yes.
It is drawn for a particular period of time or it is drawn on a particular date.
So it is as on the last date of the financial year.
It is not for a particular period.
So it is a date on a particular date. The balance sheet stands like on the last date of the financial year.
Just a particular date,
Yes.
not for a period.
Yes.
Who authorizes the balance sheet signs the balance sheet?
So the balance sheet of a company. So the balance sheet of a company is signed by the director.
Okay. And also,
Sorry, sir, I don't know.
ऑडिटर नहीं साइन करेगा
So auditor, after verifying, the auditor will also sign.
other
Yes.
internal officially published.
कंपनी सेक्रेटरी नहीं
Yes.
करेगा
Company secretary also has to sign. The auditors to sign.
there will be permanent or temporary company secretary. What is limited liability partnership firm?
So limited liability partnership firm is a partnership firm in which the liability of the partners is limited up to a certain extent.
Can there be so?
Yes, sir.
Can there be so? Suppose a partnership firm is limited liability partnership.
Yes, sir.
So their whole liability who will take?
So the partners will be liable only to the up to a certain extent.
All the partners or some of the partners?
So all
Who is
the
a partner by Aristotle?
sorry, sir, I do not remember.
What is your father is transporter.
Yes, sir.
You are manager, bank manager. You have to give a loan to transporter.
Yes, sir.
क्या क्या पेपर लेगा
So उसका
5 गाड़ी देना है
हाँ, sir.
कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मिला है गवर्नमेंट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट उसको देना है कैसे
So first of all, I will ask for his balance sheet and profit and loss account and cash flow statement signed by the chartered accountant. And I will also check whether his ratios, accounting ratios, he has maintained or not.
anything other than the safety purpose?
So for safety, sir,
Will ask any project report for this type of projected balance sheet?
so obviously I will ask for financial statements from him.
For the coming days.
Yes, sir. So projected balance sheet also.
Yes.
Income tax return?
Income tax return is also, sir.
How many years?
So last 2 financial years.
You have 3.
So I'm not 100% sure.
Why we insist income tax return?
Sorry, sir.
Why we insist income tax return?
So income tax return, in order to see whether the person is paying the income tax or not, that proves that the person is genuine. That means he's paying regular tax on his income, and we'll also come to know about
If
the
the person is default in paying income tax, what happens?
So it shows that the person is not honest or true.
Yes.
That means he's
Anything more
trying to
for
engage in money
banker?
laundering.
For banker, for general public, it is like he is not paying income tax. He is not a good person. But from the banking point of view, whether there is any other difficulty that bank may face in near future.
So it shows that the person has.
Actually, our government charge is the automatic fast charge. Without any charge, government, any assets, our charge, government is superior to the bank charge. By the whole adjust करेगा, so जब रहेगा तो
Yes, sir.
That means the company is already having some deficiency rather.
Yes, sir.
that's
And
why
the income what
tax
income
returns, tax returns are
That
all
was
there.
even counter check, na?
Yes,
So
sir.
somebody says, my income was so and so.
So if
Unless
a,
it is given in the income as return, we are not going to accept that.
Moreover, yes, the balance sheet may be inflated.
yes, sir.
That should be coordinated with the income tax return.
We have to cross check.
Total income should agree with the balance sheet.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है?
Your hobby?
So my hobby is cricket, and I watch YouTube videos for entertainment.
ठीक है. Thank you.
Thank you.
And see that
Yes, sir.
your eyesight are okay.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Even
perfect.
after watching video.
No, sir.
Fine.
Thank you, sir.